So guys, welcome. So let's move down next one. Right? So what they given in the question? A, B and C are partners. A receives 9/10 of the profit and B and C share the remaining profit equally. A's income is increased by 270 when the profit rises from 12% to 15%. Find the capital invested by B and C each. Right? So let's look at the solution. So actually guys, we don't know the profit, right? So let us assume the profit as X. This is the first thing. So what they given, A receives 9/10 of the profit. So A is 9/10 part of this profit, that is X. So B and C share the remaining profit equal. So if 9x by 10 this is, so the remaining would be over. So remaining is nothing but I already said, right? How we have to calculate the remaining part. So 1 minus 9x by 10. So what we will get? X by 10, right? So remaining is x by 10. So remaining x by 10 is what they said. So from that remaining B and C shared equal. That means we have to divide this into two parts. So by dividing this into two parts, what we will get? X by 2. So how? By dividing into two parts. That means nothing but we have to divide with 2. So what we get? X by 20. So from this what I can say. So B's profit is nothing but x by 20. So similarly C's profit also x by 20. So as both are they sharing equal. Both they are sharing equal. Right? So that's it. So again what they say. So A's income is increased by 270 when the profit rises from 12% to 15%. That means the change in profit is 3%. So change in profit is 3%. So when the A's income is increased by 270, that means so A's income equal to, we can find, increased by 270 divided by the change in profit percentage 3, that means 3% we have to do. So in order to calculate the percentage, that means we have to multiply with 100. So by this we get 9,000 guys. So from this we get the A's income is 9,000 by the given data. So A's income is 9,000, right, as per the given data. So as we are assuming that the A's income 9,000, right, but we have this guys. What is that? A is to, so when we take the ratios for the A is to B is to C, so what we get? 9 by 10 is to 1 by 20 is to 1 by 2. So I already said just from this fraction possible not to convert the single digit ratios, what we have to do? We have to multiply with the denominator LCM. So LCM we will get for this, LCM is 20 guys. For 10, 20 and 20 the LCM is 20. So multiply the each and every term with 20. So what we get? So when you are multiplying with 20 I will get 18 is to 1 is to 1. Right? So this is the A is to B is to C. That means A's part is 18x, B's part is x, of course the C's part is also x. This is the meaning for that, right? So A's income is 9,000 we got. That means A's part is 18x. So 18x equals to 9,000. So from this what you get? What you get? X equals to 500. But what they asked for, the invested by B and C each separately they are asking. That means as B parts and C parts are x, so B and C parts are, so B equals to 500. Of course the C is also equal to 500. That means each they invested separately is 500 guys. So that's it guys, right? Hope you understand. So very important question guys, right? Hope you understand the concept. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also share this information to all of your friends. It's Suli Teja signing off. Have a nice day. Bye.